Greetings, fellow watch enthusiasts. Today I'm going to unbox a Timex. More specific, the Timex TW2V18000. It's a kind of Rolex looking Timex, I think. And this is the box. It's a crazy box. I love the Timex boxes. They are so simple. It's just like this a watch box should look like. And I also love the Timex logo. Clean and simple. And it gives you a kind of feeling of trust when you see the Timex logo. This is a safe watch to buy. Well, let's open up the box and here we go. It's the Timex Waterbury egg yellow, kind of Rolex Datejust look-alike. This is not the type of watch you go and explore the woods with. Let's take off the Timex tag and take a closer look at the watch. Right here, looks kind of shiny, feels kind of cheap. It also is a cheap watch. Well, I'll try it on. Yeah, fits pretty good. Fits like a schmick, as you say in Sweden. Let's look what else is inside the box. There's a Timex user information. Yes, we know that. And there's a Timex card where you can follow Timex on social media. Instagram, Facebook, and I don't even know what that is, but well, nice. And here is the Timex International Guarantee type of card. True since 1854. Well, it's a quartz movement, and I think it is a Timex quartz movement. I guess Timex have their own movements, and according to many people I heard talking about the Timex quartz movement is that they are very robust. They don't break easily. They go on for years and years. You just have to change the battery and the movement will keep on ticking. And I don't know if this is justified with the new Timex watches. They are made in the Philippines, and but it is a Timex factory in the Philippines, so they are not using contractors. They moved out their factories to the Philippines and China, so they are still made like they used to make them. And as you can see, it's a pop-off case back, which I'm not very fond of, but I guess that's a specific taste. It's not a big problem, but I just don't like the pop-off case bags. Let's take off this plastic and take a look at the case back. This plastic was pretty hard to get off. I'm having a pretty hard time pulling the freaking plastic off, man. I don't like that. Let's take a look at the case back. It looks really nice. It's the Timex logo. Yes. And if you like Timex, you like the Timex logo. And I like Timex. I can't say I have any. The best Timex I have is the Timex Solar Expedition watch. I love that watch. I can't say that I would use this watch very often. Maybe when I go to a dinner party or just go to the movies or whatever, but you can't use this on the beach. It's only like 5 meters waterproof, and that means you probably shouldn't even swim with this watch. You probably shouldn't even be doing the dishes with this watch. You probably should avoid rain with this watch, but I don't know. Maybe it will withstand rain days. Perfect for dinner with your friends or your girlfriend or whatever. Looks kind of fresh with the egg yellow dial. Yeah, looks kind of Rolex Datejust. I don't know. I don't know too much about Rolex because I can't buy them, so I don't put too much time looking into the Rolex world. Well, it's a nice looking Timex. And let's go to the measurements. Well, let's check out the measurements. The case width is 41 millimeter, and from the crown to the bottom it is 43 millimeters, which means the crown is 2 millimeter. And between the lugs it's 20 millimeters, and from lug end to lug end it is approximately 49 millimeters. Yes, so if you want to change this to a NATO band, which I don't think it's very fitting for this type of watch, but if you want to, it's a 20 millimeters NATO band. And it's stainless steel, this one, and it's mineral glass, and that's about it. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful Timex. Yes, and this is the Timex close up, and as you can see, the outer parts of the links are somehow brushed, and the middle of the bracelet is polished, and the case is somehow brushed too, and the back side looks very nice. There's the Timex logo, and the clasp is easy folding clasp, and it works very well. Yes, and there you go. It's the Timex Waterbury Legacy. And I couldn't try the loom yet because it hasn't been in the sun. And here's the watch on my wrist. What is there more to say about this Timex Waterbury Legacy watch? It's a good buy. It's a good deal if you get this one for about $50 up to $80, and it's a nice dinner watch. It's a nice going to the opera or the movies or something. And it's a very nice watch for under $100. The only thing I wouldn't do with this watch is to be around water with it. I don't think this will withstand taking a shower or doing the dishes. But it's a nice watch, and I love Timex. Yeah, definitely a good deal if you get this for a couple of dollars. Around $70-$80 would be nice. I actually don't remember how much I bought this for, but I think it was around $80 or $70 or something. And yeah, it's a nice watch. And that's all. Peace.